Welcome to my recap with live trades. Hope you enjoy this content, find it beneficial. So today was basically, it was a small red day. Finished the day minus about $40 with commissions. I was down about 120 pretty much right out the gate. Yeah, it just wasn't a. I took a lot. I'll show you right now. But first trade's on MRNA. So this is MRNA right off the open. I should have, ideally I like a red candle at first. So I play this opening range break. A little bit late on my entry. Get a 420 call. 1019 is my cost. And, we got like a size 1035, like 1050 on the ask a minute ago. It's starting to pull back here. And, a pullback in MRNA at this current time is, 3 or 4 points. So it's just a little micro pullback, but a lot of red coming through on the tape there with a little bit of size. And we're getting this topping tail, and I'm getting stuffed here. So I'm out. And I got an $8.59, so $159, $160 lost on that trade. And for my account, a $4,500 account, it's not the best idea. Not the best risk management. So, totally, the reason why I played this MRNA trade is you can see the chart above. MRNA is on the far right here, I'm sure you know. But, see that horizontal? There's multiple touches, or at least, close enough to that horizontal area. And, it, got above it, couldn't hold. It was just basically a trap. Liquidity trap or whatever. So it is what it is. So I started the day down, but back in the day, I say back in the day, but months ago, I would have let this $160 loss really affect me, especially knowing that I have 137 at the time of this trade, and unrealized P&L on those two BlackBerry calls until September I have. So that's $300 there, like unrealized for my account. That's a decent amount, but yeah. So I don't let that bother me now. And next trade I take on Tesla. So Tesla, let's get to it. Tesla has this little flag pattern going. I'm playing this break over this red pullback candle. So I'm in 675 call at 1235. So using up a decent amount of buying power. Stop is a little bit below VWAP, which is that purple line, basically under the prior candle low. So yeah, using up $2,300 out of my $4,500 buying power in 2 trades. Really hoping to get at least some somewhat of a decent play here, but of course I will stop out if I need to. So not over yet. Tesla's been moving really sluggishly, and it'll move like crap, and then it will and then sometimes it'll get out, and then it rips faces off. So in the direction that I was playing, so that happens a lot. I think it's done on purpose like that, really, just to psychologically mess with the traders and then get them out, shake them out, and then it moves. So Tesla's showing signs of life here. We got some green coming through on the tape at high a day here. We're at the yellow line where we're at is prior day's high. I like the daily for some upside. See, instead of doing what Tesla used to do is just rip, just go, momentum. It's not doing that. Really testing the patience of traders. So a decent amount of red, some below bid there, a lot of red, a lot of mid prints, white ones, but hopefully it's trapping some shorts. And let's squeeze out these shorts. So I like this. Now, would be nice if it were to just rip and rip and rip and have 3 or 4 candles of giant green dildo, so to speak. But that is not the case right now. So let me zoom in a little bit on this one. So yeah, it's topping tail. Now all it takes is this just to sell off, boom, go from a green to red candle, and then we have a short setup here under the prior candle low, in my opinion. But I'm holding out. Stop is below the prior candle. Really hoping we get some upside momentum here. Volume's decent. We got rising volume, a lot of green volume here. The red volume is a lot smaller than the green volume. So I like to see when I'm playing moves to the upside. This is like watching paint dry, to be honest. Let me move this over so you can see my executions there. So I'm up $65, $70 in this trade right now. Getting some movement. Let's get a little bit more movement. Pull back candle. Okay. Ooh, had some momentum there to the upside for a second. It was snappy. Come on, Tesla. You can go. Just go. A lot of mid prints coming in with size, over 1,000 shares. Not a lot of green coming through on the tape on the big prints, which is what I really want to see. But considering Tesla's been shaky there, so I just get out there on the ask. And for a $90 profit. So that back. Okay. Next trade is on AMD. So I had a Tesla trade. I had a Netflix. I bought it at 210, sold it at 204. And then I had 2 Pfizer calls. Bought at 67, got out at 45. So $44 loss there, plus $51. So $55 with commission. So down 129 with commissions. 129. So as you can see there, I have BABA in my trades window. At 10:30, I bought BABA low a day. Actually, as you can see on the BABA daily. Well, just the green. That's a BABA 60-minute. You can see. Well, it doesn't really show there. It always shows the bottom or the top. If a green arrow, it shows the bottom with the options entries. So here's AMD. AMD's in the middle. AMD's in news play. So we have over 1 million shares a minute there. So I buy 2 106 calls. I like the doji there. I like the volume. I like the lighter volume on the red pullback doji. And I like this for a break to the upside. So I'm just playing a quick little pop here. It's a news play. I sell on the ask. And I get out for $20 a contract, so $40 win there. So, final trade that I have to show is, so BABA, I sold BABA. I made Made $49 on that BABA trade. The reason why I took it was the daily. But it wasn't quite at my entry on the daily, but I just saw we had a sell off, a low day. It's extended intraday chart, and I played it risking off low day, and it worked out. Nice risk reward. I sold it when it formed a rising wedge, and I just felt like the pattern's bearish and has higher probability. Plus, I saw some fat sellers on the offer. I saw hidden buyers come in on the tape and towards low day, and then the bid stepping up throughout the rise in the intraday. But towards the highs of the day, I saw fat sellers like 50,000 shares and up. So didn't like that. There's definitely hidden sellers up there, keeping it down before the daily pivot or hourly pivot, and yeah. So final trade I have to show is on Tesla. This is on the far left per usual. So I play a Tesla put here. I was so tired at this point though. So I buy a 690 put for 991. I was so tired of playing this bear flag break. The last like 10 minutes or so. I was so tired at this point that I just my feet were killing me. I only got 2.5 hours of sleep last night, and so I needed to take my daily nap around 9:30, 10 o'clock in the morning, Pacific Standard Time. And so that's what I was looking to do. I was going to take a nap for this trade, but I saw this trade and I liked it. I thought maybe it was going to make a double top. This is already extended on the intraday. I like the risk reward. Liked what UVXY was doing. I liked that SPY was looking the bear flaggy. Qs weren't looking the greatest to the upside, so I played the put. Now, at a 990, I don't really get that good of a move on this one. I sell. So we get a rise there. I could have added at the 8 EMA and the 34 right there, but I didn't. And so is there going to be a little micro double bottom here, or are we going to break the lows right here? Temporary pivot low. And we're going to break the low. It's looking heavy here. On this trade, I believe I bought on the offer, and I'm selling on the offer. Oh, and by the way, on that BABA trade, so I had to stop at low a day. And then once I started getting in the money, I put a stop at break even. Got within $25 of 15 to $25 of getting stopped out, but I didn't. Thankfully, I took profits when I did, because tomorrow hopefully I'll get a 170 entry, which is goes back to the March 2020 lows of 170 there. So I do like BABA for a bounce, risking off 170. So if we gap up, I'll probably buy the opening range highs. Or if we dip, I will be sitting there with bids on the waiting to get long. And I will size into BABA because that's a significant level, 170. So it's definitely worth upping my risk, and I will do so as long as I have the setup I'm looking for. So Tesla here is kind of chopping around. So I get out there. So we kind of break the lows there, and then look what happens. So then we break the lows there. 990. So I got out pretty good there. Could have got like 1030, 1050 maybe. Looks like 1030. And then Tesla just rips high day. But after that, it ripped a high day, it made a third high, and then it dropped with volume. And would have been quickly in the money on on that contract. So, anyways, thank you for watching. I appreciate it. And yeah. Oh, and real quick, I want to show you the setup on BABA. BABA's right here. I'll show it on. Here's BABA. Here's March 2020 lows, 169. $170 there. We are close to 170. I got it marked here, and then we got this falling wedge or broadening formation, whatever you want to call it, where we have 1 point, 2 points, 3 points, 4 points. So I like this. Or a move higher. Yeah, I'm definitely on watch with BABA. It can only fall so much. We are 46% off the highs. A lot. 46% is a lot on a name like BABA. High beta name. So yeah, anyways, thanks for watching. I appreciate you. I hope you have a wonderful day. And live to fight another day. Take care. Goodbye. 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 Goodbye.